I'm going to show you how easy it is to infuse your castor oil at home with whatever herb you would want to choose and why. There are a couple different techniques you can use to infuse your herbs. In the video for the castor oil, I used the double boiler heat method, which I'll show you. You want to combine your herbs with a carrier oil. Now a carrier oil, which in this case we're using the castor oil, is literally going to carry that into your tissue. So this is a double boiler. What that does is it uses the steam to actually cook the nutrient. And if you don't have a double boiler, you can use a pan, place your mason jar in the pan, and then fill it a quarter way with water. Now take your double boiler and put a cup of your castor oil in, mixed with whatever herb you decide to use. Today I'm using calendula. Keep your heat on low. Fill your double boiler with water halfway, and then add your oil. Now you're gonna leave that on a low heat for 60 minutes. After that's done, remove from heat, and then you're gonna strain it. I like to let mine sit for a little so that all the oil goes through. So now is when you would add your essential oils. I add 10 drops of frankincense. And the reason you wanna wait is because you don't want the heat to ruin your essential oil benefit. And that's all. You have your castor oil infused, ready to go.